guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today's video is going to be a mishmash of things, so hopefully it'll keep it interesting and you'll stick around to the very end. I have some giveaways, I have some new releases to share, I have coloring that I'm sharing, so let's get started. We will share this first. So I am participating in the 30-day daily marker challenge by Kathy over on Instagram. Let's see, let me bring it up. So this is the first time I'm participating in this 30-day coloring challenge. So this is by Kathy Rack, and yesterday was day one. So this is my post for day one, and I will be posting on Instagram every day, so I'm going to try to keep up with it. And for this post, I colored up this cute caffeinated bear by the Rabbit Hole Designs, and I used my Copic markers. Here are the colors that I used in case you are wondering. And I did some added detail with my Prismacolor pencils, and these are the colors that I used. So let's see, we've got the white, we've got blush pink, pink, cool gray, and espresso. So I used those to add some details to the rope to make it look fuzzy. I also added some to the bear to make him look hairy, as you can see on his legs and his face. So I love coloring up this image. I think I colored it up 3 or 4 times already. So I'm going to share the new Rabbit Hole Designs release. So there's the caffeinated bear. This was from the last release. They came out with the goat and the dragon. And then I restocked the little bee. Isn't that cute? The unicorn. The cat, the boxer, and the new release, the Owl Right stamp set. Isn't that cute? So we've got all these owls piled up together here, and their faces are hilarious. I love that one. They're all different, and then the sentiments read, "It's going to be all right from all owl of us. Like birds of a feather, we flock together. You're a hoot. And who's awesome." And then we've got Somebody. Well, it's actually called All Ears. The sentiment reads, somebody loves somebody like you. Happy Easter. I'm all ears. There's no bunny like you. And you are irresistible. And look at all those cute little bunnies. And this one has been selling really well. I think I have one left. And then this one is called Beautiful Disaster. Really pretty stamp. She's got her latte cup there. We've got positive, and then you can check off vibes, mind, life. We are the perfect blend, beautiful disaster, and you are allowed to be both a masterpiece and a work in progress simultaneously. So that's new. So then let's pull a winner, and then I'll show you what's new from Altenew. So I have a few giveaways on this video. So let's do the YouTube monthly challenge. So I just started this last month. For February. So the challenge was to make a paper bag card, to use the hashtag Not Too Shabby paper bag challenge, and I have 2 entries. So I'm hoping to see more entries next month. Otherwise I'll have to stop doing the monthly challenges over here on my YouTube channel. So I have the 2 people in here that did the challenge. We've got Scrap and Pink Lady. You'll see hers. I think she added Not Too Shabby Shop paper bag challenge, so you'll see hers if you put in the shop. And then we've got Cindy, and I will have their links, or all you have to do is click on the hashtag and their videos will pop up. So I am going to put those two in here, and then we will pick from them too. The winner's going to win $10 gift code to Not Too Shabby. Let's make sure those are mixed up. And then for next month, we are going to do a new challenge. And the challenge for March is create a tea-themed card. And we will use a hashtag, Not Too Shabby Tea Card Challenge. Okay, I'll have that on the screen for you. So when you post your video on YouTube, use the hashtag. And that way I will find your videos through the hashtag. So it's very important to use the hashtag, the correct hashtag, for me to find your video. Okay, so I'm going to pick one. Okay, here's the winner. And Cindy, you are our winner. So you won the $10 gift code to Not Too Shabby. So just message me and I'll send you your code. Okay, so that's one giveaway. Let's share the new products from Altenew, and then I'll do another giveaway. So I grabbed this. This is their Crisp Ink in Permanent Black. So this gets crisp impression, smooth coverage. It's pigment based, and this is good to use on alcohol markers. Okay, so that ink is supposed to be really good. So this is a bundle. You get the fine, medium, and large water brushes. So you just fill this canal with water, and then you have your water and your brush all in one. I grabbed their new Paint a Flower, and this is the rose. So every month they do a new Paint a Flower, and it's really, really, really pretty. It's going to look really pretty watercolored, or pencils, or Copics. It comes with a lot of sentiments. So we've got From Our Family to Yours, Thank You. We've got Hugs with Love, Warm Wishes. We've got And Warm Hugs. Live a Life in Full Bloom, and Your Kindness Warms My Heart. So that's really pretty. I grabbed the Watercolor Vibrant Smooth 36 half pans. So there's 36 vibrant watercolors in here. They are intensely pigmented and fade minimally when drying. So these do include a space for your brush. It says included, and a palette in the lid for mixing. So those are all the colors you get in there. And then this is a bundle you can get. So this is 24 half pans. These are rich and luminous, artist grade. So there are all the colors right there. And then the metallic watercolor, the perfect amount of glamour. So I have those up as a bundle, these two. So that's what I have for Altenew. So now I want to pull the winner for my Customer Appreciation Monthly Giveaway for the shop. So I'm going to pull up random.org. Zoom in. So I have the first order of the month, the last order of the month, just the last 4 digits of the order for January. And I am going to hit generate. So number 2804 is going to win, or has won, this prize here. So you will be receiving the Fun and Frolic paper pad, the Two Can Do It stamp set by MFT. Sorry, let me zoom out. And the wonky banner die. So I will contact you. You don't need to contact me. I will contact you through email. And then just reply back saying that your shipping address is the same, and I'll get your package out to you. So for February, let's put in the first order and the last order. So we've got the first order on top. The last order on the bottom here. And hit generate. So the winner is 2971, and you have won this Painted Poppies stamp set by MFT with the coordinating die. Really, really beautiful set. Nice die set to go with it. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And for March, we will have another set. So I will do the same thing at the end of the month, pick a winner. Just a little thank you to my customers. Okay, so let's see, what else do I have to share? The Not Too Shabby release is coming soon. I don't have an exact date yet. I'm waiting on a stamp to arrive, and then I will get you that exact date. It should be probably between, I would say 3 to 5 days, but more like probably 5 days. And we will have a hop for you. On the 4th, I'm going to have up on my YouTube video the 10-minute card challenge, and you will see a sneak peek of the Not Too Shabby new release, because I will be using a stamp set from the new release. I actually thought the release date was going to be before the hop, so when I filmed that video, I actually show one of the stamp sets, and I actually say in the video that I just released this yesterday, but that's a lie. I won't be releasing it till after that video, so just take that in consideration when you're watching the video. I think that's all I have right now. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and click subscribe and that little bell. That way you get notified every time I post a video. I will catch you real soon, guys, in the next video, and thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.